Hey, how's your Thanksgiving? I just came back from vacation, just walked right into the office here and just want to shoot a very quick video for all the real estate agents as we launch into 2019. All right, the question is, what are you going to do differently? Everybody, I get a lot of phone calls from real estate agents talking about the market shift. Question is, what are you going to do about it and how are you going to make 2019 be the best year ever, right? If you continue to do the same thing over and over and over again and expecting a different results, that is a definition of insanity. You are insane. So I walk right here in the office. Now it's Friday at around 7 o'clock. And I just want to share a quick video on how to make next year, 2019, be your best year ever, right? And as you know, most real estate agents, your office, your broker, your coach has been asking you to cold call, spend majority of your time, 70-80% of your time prospecting, cold calling. And when the market change, when the market is keep on, just like in the past, in earlier this year, it's easy. Everybody can sell homes. But when the market change like this, and if you still spend 70-80% of the time just looking for clients, you're not gonna be able to make it, right? So things has to change. Doing more of the same is not the solution. And I get so many real estate agents been telling me they're paying real estate coach, and their coach has been telling them, hey, if you are not getting the results, then do more. Do more of the stuff that doesn't work. It's not the solution, but by very definition, that's insane. So what's the solution? How can we leverage this change? Oh, before I do that, I want to share some couple of good news here. Just walk right in the office, and if you go to your anywhere, the Los Angeles Business Journal, November 12th edition of the Los Angeles Business Journal, November 12th edition is basically our team, Titanium Real Estate Network, has made it to the top 16 fastest growing private companies in Los Angeles area. And we are the number one, the only real estate company, the number one fastest growing real estate company here in the area. And what does it mean to you? Right? So what it means to you is that what if I give you access to the number one real estate fastest growing companies in Los Angeles area, giving it access to you to make your 2019 be your best year ever, right? So the problem with real estate coaching is that there's so many people, pretenders, like in the past when the market are doing well, of course, there's so many people claim to be a real estate coach, and how do you know whether teaching you works? Here, I'm sharing it with you exactly what's been doing. So enough of that. So I just got it in the mail today. So that's kind of exciting. But back to you, how to make your 2019 be the best year ever. Okay, what if the same system that made our team be the number one fastest growing real estate companies in Los Angeles area, you have access to it, and to top it off, we are booking you buyers and listing appointments to you. Instead of you spending 70-80% of your time looking for buyers and sellers clients, what if every day you wake up in the morning and we just book you buyers and listing appointments? So that's basically how I'm gonna share. And the shift is really cool because for the past 10 years, our team has been dominating the space. As far as we are on billboards, 6 different radio stations, online. If you Google our team New Vision, Rudy Kusuma, you can see that for the past 10 years, we've been owning that space. So when the market shift like this, it's been really, really awesome because in the past 4 weeks, we never had more listing appointments the last 4 weeks than ever before. So it's been amazing, but I need your help. Today is Friday at 7 o'clock. I'm still in the office. We have way more listing appointments than ever before. And this is where I need to partner up with you. Ambitious real estate agency, we can partner up, work together. But before that, I want to make a couple of calls here. Just came back in the office. I've been away for about 10 days now. So I'm gonna call one of our see if she pick up the phone, okay? One of our inside sales team, see if she answered the phone, and we're gonna find out how many listing appointments in the past 4 weeks. How many listing appointments our team has been getting the past 4 weeks? 626, 899. So I'm gonna find out how many listings appointments in the past 4 weeks. So the market has been amazing, because when the market changed like this, because of our market presence, because we already dominate the mind of the consumers, that when the buyers think of selling. Hey, hi, Margaret.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, Margaret, in the last 4 weeks, you are on a speakerphone, by the way. In the last 4 weeks, how many listings appointments that you booked?
In the last 4 weeks on the team, I think on average we're booking 2 to 3. So we're looking at maybe 5 to 6 listings a day.
Wait, so in the last 4 weeks, how many listing appointments?
I would say anywhere from 30 to 40, because we're sending Michelle to listing appointments almost every single day. Last weekend, last Saturday, Alex went to 5 listing appointments on a Saturday. So we've been getting a lot of appointments on listings.
Okay, so I'm doing a Facebook Live now. Are you in front of your computer? Hey, it doesn't.
I'm actually driving. I'm actually not in front of a computer.
You are driving?
I'm driving, yes.
So I'm doing a Facebook Live now. I'm talking about the market shift, that we have an overflow of listing appointments, and we are focused in 2019 is with the listing office. And so are we getting more listing appointments in the last week, in the last 4 weeks than ever before?
Yes. I think right now our appointment-wise, it's more listings than buyers. At least for this month, for the month of November, I would say maybe a good 50% of the appointments are for listings.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Drive safe then. Bye.
Alrighty. All right, bye.
40 listing appointments in the month of November. What is this? November 2018. Right? So imagine, what if you're 2019? So the reason we can dominate the marketplace is because if you are not top of mind, when we talk about top of mind, if you are not first, you are last. So for the past 10 years, our team has been focusing on, we've been very heavy on the marketing, either on Zillow, on Google, on radio, on billboards. So what happened is that in the area, when people are thinking of selling their home, it's already been in mind. So when the market shifts like this, naturally we are the go-to person when they're thinking of selling their home. So what happened is that here in our team is I'm gonna train you our system, so that way you understand how our VIP home seller system works. Once you understand how that works, is that we are booking you live, ready, willing, and able buyers and listing appointments now. So I'm sending you an invite as to as you are preparing. Now it's November 2018. In the next couple of weeks, it's December and 2019, right? If you continue doing the same thing over and over again, then it's not gonna. So this, when the market change, it could be one of the best opportunities, or you're gonna get wiped out, right? And if you continue doing the same thing over and over again, see what happens is that the traditional real estate way, if you do what majority of the people do, then naturally you're gonna get what the majority of the people get. So the shift, when we are talking about the market shift, it's awesome when you are ready. And so for the past 10 years, our team has been positioning ourselves to be the marketing expert. We have been investing about $200,000 a month in billboards, advertising, direct mail. We sent out about 10,000 postcards, 10,000 direct mails every month for the past 10 months. And the radio, the billboard. So now when the market changed like this, then we already have the top of mind awareness on the home seller. So that's the reason why we are getting about 40 listing appointments in the past 30 days. And that's not too good to be true. That's just a natural, that's just a normal marketing, that's just a normal marketing business principle. If for the past 10 years we've been dominating the mind of the homeowner, so now naturally that when they're thinking of selling their home, then our team has the top of mind awareness. So I'm looking to partner up with a few of good, ambitious real estate agents to dominate, to make 2019 be your best year ever. And if you're a real estate agent watching this, doing more of the same, really, it's not the solution. You've been in business for a while, or if you are receiving advice from your coach, from somebody, then you just have to see how they're doing, right? Most of real estate coaches today, they themselves are not selling their homes. They themselves never sell homes before. So what I'm sharing with you today is here. I just got in the mail, our team based, according to Los Angeles Business Journal, November 12 edition, our team is ranked as the #1 fastest growing real estate company here in the entire Los Angeles area. Number 16 overall, but #1 in real estate markets. I'll show you here so you can see. So this is the Los Angeles Business Journal, November 12th edition. And this is when they list all the fastest growing private companies in Los Angeles. They just have the awards banquet last 2 weeks ago in downtown LA. So this is where this is where our team ranked as the number 16 fastest growing private companies in Los Angeles area. That's number 16 out of all real estate companies. But if you notice, the first #1 till number 15, none of these are real estate companies. We are the only. So our team here is ranked as the number 16 fastest growing companies in Los Angeles, and the #1 fastest growing real estate companies in Los Angeles area. So the reason I'm sharing all this with you is not to impress on you or to kind of like show. The reason I'm sharing this is that the techniques, the strategies that I'm sharing with you works in today's real estate market. This is not some theory. This is not some ideas, right? Our team has been around. We first launched our team in 2007. In 2017, 2016, 17, 18, our team has been ranked as Inc. 5,000 fastest growing private companies in America. So those are the systems that you get access to. And on top of it, we are booking you. Once you qualified, once you pass our basic buyers and VIP sellers benefits training, we are booking you live buyers and sellers appointments. In fact, if you are real estate agents watching this and you're serious about making 2019 be your best year ever, I need you to call 626-789-0159. Again, call 626-789-0159. I want to meet with you so we can set up a business plan, how to make your 2019 be your best year ever. The good news is this is the invitation. The shift is coming. The shift is here. It's in our favor because we already invested for the past 10 years in that market domination. We already dominated the marketplace, top of mind awareness as far as somebody who's thinking of selling their home in today's real estate market. They call our team. In fact, in November 2018, we booked about 40 listing appointments. I just called our inside sales team lead, Margaret, and you heard on the phone, basically in November 2018, we booked 40 listing appointments. That's November, where most real estate agents are saying the market is slow and stuff. This is one of the busiest months in our team. Today is Friday, 7 o'clock. I'm still in the office. We have an overflow of listing appointments. I'm looking for a few good real estate agents to partner up to make 2019 be the best year ever. See, one of my, the vision, the goal in 2019 is to help 100 real estate agents to earn over six-figure income in 2019. In 2019, that's gonna be a golden opportunity. We already have the space. When I say space, I'm not talking about physical space. I'm talking about the system is in place. We already have an overflow business, buyer and listing appointments. The harvest is here. We are just looking for a few of ambitious real estate agents to partner up. If you have any question about the market shift, but anyway, if you're watching this video and you're concerned about the market shift, is the people are still buying and selling homes, right? Think about it. So as long as we dominate the marketplace, then you gotta be first. If you're not first, you're last. If you're not if you're not first on the mind of somebody's or the consumers who's thinking of buying or selling, if you are not first, then you are last. The market becoming more and more competitive, especially now with technology. If what you do, the machine can do, right? So for example, most real estate agents, if I'm thinking of buying a home, I go to real estate agents. Most real estate agents are emailing homes that I myself already see online. See, that kind of thing, that's dangerous, because what you do, the machine can do. If what you do, the machine can do, then you'll be replaced, you'll be obsolete, because the machine can email me faster, the machine never gets sick, the machine is always consistent. Right? So what's the unique? So how to win when the market change is that what if what is the unique that only you can do, that the customers cannot go anywhere else? So for example, in our team, when we meet, I'm gonna share with you how we are able to show homes to our clients, homes that they cannot see online. Think about it. If you're real estate agents watching this and somebody's thinking of buying a home and you are the only one that can show them homes that match their criteria that they cannot see online, then you'll be the natural go-to person in that area, right? So if you have any question on how to dominate the marketplace, I want to partner up with a few good. Now if you're a top producers in the area, I want to partner up with you to build a team in the area. As so that's the reason why we are doing this. Fiska, happy Thanksgiving. Hey Fiska, on December 7th, we are having a mastermind for all the team leaders here. You are invited. December 7th from 8 to 11. December 7th from 8 to 11, I'll be meeting with all the team leaders in the area, having a private mastermind on how to build a team in 2019 in today's real estate market. So you are invited from 8 to 11, and then from 11 to 12 we have a peak performance workshop from Tony Robbins gonna be here, and then after that from 12 to 1 we're gonna have a backstage tour of our real estate sales team, and then from 1 till 5 we're gonna have a vision casting 2019 business planning session. Goal setting session is exclusive for my team, but I'm sending an invitation for you too as well. All right, guys. So if you are a real estate agent watching this, then I want to partner up with you. Call me today, 626-789-0159, and together we can, like in the last 30 days, we book over 40 listing appointments. We are looking for good, ambitious real estate agents to partner up. If you want to build a team, I want to share with you our system that help us to be the #1 according to Los Angeles Business Journal, November 12, 2018, the #1 private real estate companies, fastest growing real estate companies in Los Angeles area. I want to share with you that, empower you that make 2019 be your best year ever. All right, guys, I gotta go home, have dinner now. So if there's anything I can do to help you, comment below, 626-789-0159.